How to transfer dogs from Bitget to Binance on PC. Now, first of all, make sure to log into your account on Bitget. Now, head over to wallets like that, as you can see, and click on withdraw. And after that, in the select coin, I'll just click here and search for your token. In this case, it will be dogs. Now, click on it. After that, select the on-chain. Now select the network. It will be the tone there is on. Now to get to withdraw address of dogs, you need to go and open your Binance account. Now head over to wallets and click on spend. And after that, click on deposit. And now select the deposit crypto. Now in the search bar, just search for dogs like that. So after you find it, now click on it. Now select the network as the tone. Now here, click on OK, show me the address. Now you need to copy the address first, and now go back to Bitget and you can paste it here into withdraw address box. Now go back to Binance and copy the memo address and go back to Bitget and paste it here. Now after that, click on next, and now here you can see the amount that you want to transfer. And after that, click on withdraw. In about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive your dogs token on your Binance account. So this is how to transfer dogs from Bitget to Binance on PC. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.